There was sometimes strikes about Mr. Smith's old house on the coast Transylvania. Many people thought that there was a gun in the room on the east side. On Wednesday night people heard a strange noise there. They thought it was a baby crying, but there wasn't a baby in the house. For years many people trying to find the answer to the mystery. Finally people saying, "Sell the house." Mr. Smith sold the house to Bill Gates. But the strange noise continued. After some, Mr. Gates saying, "I think the noise came from the old apple tree next to the house. It's right. It is."
But the strange noise continued. Move to house, people said. Wooden houses are easy to move, and Mr. Gates was a rich man. He called in some workmen. Move to house to a new place in Park Street, he said. While the workmen were moving to house, they found a whole box under the floor. There was a child's skeleton in the box. Many people said that the child's ghost made the strange noise. "Rebury the child," there said Mr. Gates. "Rebury the child." But on one night the strange noise continued. When Will Gates died, his son Frank lived in the house. Frank didn't believe in ghosts. Sometime later, there was a fire in the house. It burned the part of the room on the east side. Frank called in some workmen repaired the room, he said. While the workmen were repairing the room, they discovered something in the one of chismes. They found a wind harp. They would put a pulling harp into the chime to make music on wind days, they told Frank. Now it's all, and instead